Hello friends, I am Sahil Ra and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about incremented and decrement operators in the C programming language. So let's start. Increment and decrement operators is a unary operator. It means it operates on a single operands. Here var is a variable and variable plus plus and variable minus minus is called post increment decrement, and plus plus variable and minus minus variable is called pre increment decrement. Plus plus variable is nothing but variables equals to variable plus 1, and minus minus variable is nothing but variables equals to variable minus 1. What are the rules for plus plus and minus minus operators? Pre-increment decrement operator says that first increment or decrement my value and then use my value in the expression. Post-increment decrement operator says that first use my value and then update my value. The most important point is that the post-increment decrement operators and the pre-increment decrement operators mean the same thing when they form statements independently. We have two questions. Both questions are same, but difference is that in one number question I and j are independent, and in two number question I and j are dependent on k and l, and we have to find what will be the value of I and j in both cases. Now in one number question I and j both are independent, and we know that in case of independent the post increment or pre-increment have the same value. So in this case I and j both will increment their value by 1. So output is I equals to 6 and j equals to 6. Now in two number question I equals to 5, and in this statement k equals to I plus plus. I plus plus is post increment, and post increment says that first assign my value then update my value. So now the value of I will assign in k, and then value of I will update. So now the value of I is 6 and the value of k is 5. Now in case of this line there is plus plus j means pre-increment, and pre-increment says that first update my value then assign my value. So first updation part will be evaluated. Now the value of j is 6 and this 6 will assign in L. So the output is k equals to 5 and L equals to 6. Take one more example. There is x equals to 4, y and z, and we have to find the value of x, y and z. There is 3 blocks, one for x, one for y and one for z. Now in second line y equals to minus minus x. Here minus minus x is pre-decrement, and pre-decrement says that first update my value then assign my value. So first updation part will be evaluated. Now the value of x is decrement by 1, so now the value of x is 3, and then the value of 3 will assign on y, so the value of y is 3. In this statement z equals to x plus plus, and x plus plus is post increment, and post increment says that first assign my value then update my value. So the value of x will assign in z. Now the value of x is 3 will assign in z. So the value of z is 3 now, and then updation part will be evaluated. So now the value of x will update and increment by 1. So now the value of x is 4. So x equals to 4, y equals to 3, and z equals to 3. So output is this one. So it was all about increment and decrement operators in the C programming language. So in my upcoming video, I will discuss about other operators in the C programming language. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.